Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So do you need a simple way to send and receive business payments? Today we are reviewing Melio, a platform designed to streamline bill payments and invoicing. So let's find out all the reviews about this site. Melio offers a clean, intuitive dashboard where you can pay vendors via bank transfer, credit card, or check, even if they don't use Melio. It's easy to set up, but international payments are limited. You can schedule payments, automate recurring bills, and sync with QuickBooks or seamless accounting. However, it lacks advanced reporting tools, which some business might need. Melio is perfect for small to mid-sized businesses looking to streamline cash flow and manage vendor payments. But if you need a payroll process or multi-currency support, alternatives like Bill.com or PayPal might be a better choice. Now, if you talk about pricing, there's a limited time offer going right now for which you save up to 25% on a subscription fee. Melio is basically free for all the bank transfers, while the credit card payments have 2.9% fee. Now, if you see for the monthly over here, it offers basically $22 per month, starting from there, and goes to the platinum costing. The features you can compare here on the site, and you can choose from here whichever is feasible for you. So in the end, if I'll say if you want an easy, cost-effective way to manage business payments, Melio is a great option. But if you need a global transaction or payroll features, other platforms like PayPal and other things might be a better option. And with that, I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.